Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick tour of the vegetable garden. I have to admit, I haven't put a huge amount of effort into the vegetable garden this year, but I have got a lot of crops. So I thought I'd show you around, show you what I'm doing, and yeah, it's a very easy and simple vegetable garden this year, but it's actually giving me a lot of produce. So yeah, I thought I'd show you around and show you what we're doing, and yeah, if you are a novice gardener, trust me, it's actually really easy to grow your veg. If I can do it, you can do it. And this is like the lowest effort version you could get. So yeah, let me show you what I've got going on. So I'm just gonna take you outside. Ignore the hose pipe, etc. I've been out here playing with Mary all day. And yeah, this is our vegetable garden. It's just at the back of the house. And I think it's pretty cute. So I have these two little greenhouses, which I literally got on Facebook Marketplace for, I think, £10. And we have some tomatoes on there, two little red ones over there and lots of green ones over here. Also, I like doing tomatoes because they smell so good. Over here, I've also done some dahlias. They look really pretty. And then over here, I've got some cucumbers, and I've trained them up the fence, which I actually really like. And you can see there is a cucumber here. I have not bought a cucumber in weeks because I've grown so many of them. Now over here I've got a lot of runner beans, and I have to be honest, I didn't make the best towers, so they're a bit like wild, but you can see I've got loads of runner beans. I need to pick a stack. I need to like text some local friends and be like, who wants runner beans, because I have way more than I could use. And then over here underneath the apple tree, I have put in a few squash and pumpkin plants, and they really get long and traily. So I think this is literally like 2, maybe 3 plants, but you can just see they spread everywhere and it's kind of bonkers. And I think somewhere in here you will see a pumpkin. Let me find it. Here it is, hiding underneath a leaf. That's a pumpkin. And then buried somewhere, I've also got a little courgette plant here, and you can see there's a pretty big courgette there. And then over here, I've got loads of runner beans. Again, I did a lot of runner beans this year. I don't even know why, because I don't love runner beans, but I kind of enjoy growing them because they just get like kind of big and wild and traily, and I like the way they look. And then I've got another courgette plant here. I've planted a lot of courgettes this year because I do find them like quite handy to have. I put them in a lot of like dishes, and you can freeze them so you can use them. Oh my god, this one's massive. Look at that. Wow. But yeah, courgettes are great because you can use them in like cooking over the winter, and they freeze quite well. And look, there's a pumpkin. Oh my goodness. Anyway, sorry, I'm like making no sense because I'm getting so excited about my vegetation. Here's some rhubarb down here. I think I'm going to put that into the ground at some point. Oh, I've got another rhubarb plant here actually. It's kind of past rhubarb season now, so I'm just letting the rhubarb rot back into the ground. But I've had some good rhubarb actually this year. Then over here I've got some black currants, and I'm not gonna lie, I think that's kind of it. There's not a huge amount of variety this year. Oh wait, that's not true. There is a chili plant here and a chili plant here, but no chilies on either. Oh no, that's a chili. That's a chili. That is a chili. Oh my god, we've got chili. Wow. Oh wait, it's another chili. Oh my god, we've got 2 chilies. Oh, and then over here we've got a damson tree, and then we've got another damson tree over there. Actually, let me show you the flower bed, because we have planted so much this year. It's crazy. Look at these dahlias. Look at the gladioli. Look at the pom-poms. Like, it's crazy. We really went for it. Oh look, there's a butterfly. Look guys, nature right there. Right there, look. Hello. My god, just nature. And then more dahlias around here. We planted so much because we thought we were getting married and getting married in the garden. We really wanted it blooming, and then it was like, oh, it's cancelled. No one's gonna see our hard work. Another dahlia coming here. But yeah, just a lot of planting. Oh, and then also this giant tree here, that is actually an apple tree. I know it's ridiculously big, but I don't know. We inherited this tree when we moved in, and it's got great cookers on it. So I refuse to take it down and put in a smaller tree because it does actually produce great apples. So there is our vegetable garden this year. We really didn't do a huge amount. I really just kept it very simple with a lot of squashes, cucumber, butternut squash, pumpkin, courgettes, they're all part of the same squash family. So I really kept it very simple and easy and basically effort free. And then runner beans. Why did I do so many runner beans? But yeah, and then a little bit of the garden as well, because we thought we were getting married and doing another garden, and we did not. But anyway, there is my video. That's what we've been growing in our vegetable garden this year. And yeah, if you're new to gardening, I cannot recommend just going squashes. Pumpkins, courgettes, cucumbers, what else was courgette? Oh no, I don't know. You know what I mean. Squash family. Google them. They're so easy. Anyway, that's my video. Goodbye.